Draw with Bunny! Today we are going to draw a very cute rainbow. So let's get started. We're first going to draw a very easy cloud. It looks super cute. Let's make another one. Slowly make these curves. Now let's start with the rainbow. Remember, every rainbow is unique, just like you. Just slowly follow the lines. Yes, you got this. A rainbow is a smile from the sky, don't you think? Your drawing does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be unique. We're almost done. In our rainbow world, every day is bright and wonderful. It would be super exciting to paint this rainbow. Now, let's make its cute face. We are starting with the eyes. And now, the mouth. Now, let's repeat. Now, let's make the cutest eyes. You just have to draw 2 small circles in each eye. Now fill the eyes. It's almost ready. Now let's add some very cute stars to our drawing. Shiny stars. Don't you love how this looks? Now it's time to paint. Pink. Red. Yellow. Green. Blue. Orange. Purple. The rainbow is almost ready. Light blue for the clouds. Light pink. Yellow for the stars. It's almost ready. Ta-da! Bye-bye! If you like this video, subscribe for weekly videos.